Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophia Patrick. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be taking you guys through how I installed this lovely hairstyle. This is called 1 million braid. It's a very old hairstyle. It's twisting. I wasn't able to do it within that period that it trended, so I'm just gonna take you guys through how I installed my first 1 million braid. So please, if you love this video, please can you give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Please guys, help me reach 500 subscribers at least. I know you guys got me. I know you can do this. So please can you subscribe, and please do not forget to turn on the notification bell, please, so you'll be able to get updates when I make uploads. I love you guys. Let's get into the video now. So guys, actually the colors I used for this hair is I used color 33, color 27, and silver, all expression products. And you guys can see that this color is so lovely. It's kind of like a very unique gold. Let me come closer so you guys can see it. Like, it's very unique. So I'm gonna be leaving these colors I already mentioned somewhere on the screen. Let me turn back so you guys can take a look at this sweet color and this sweet hair. So that's that about that. And guys, the thing is that I love the finishing of this hair. I love the tip. I love how they left some braids towards the tip. I really love my braids like this. If you check my last braiding video, it was done this way. I really love it. I love leaving some hair this way. So I'm going to be leaving the stylist contact details in the description box, so you can reach out to her if you want to get your hair. Love you guys.
So guys, right now we're starting off by trying to check out the size of the braid I want, and as soon as I confirmed the size, we started off the hair. So yeah, basically just twisting the hair. You guys can see there are a lot of people here who are actually working on my hair all at once, and you can sight the attachment that is on my body. These are the 3 colors already mixed, so this is what the colors look like after it was mixed. So as I've stated earlier, this is 1 million braids, so the hair is actually really tiny. They pick tiny bits of hair. So guys, the honest truth is that this was really painful because a lot of people were working on my hair all at the same time. So guys, I actually spent I guess 4 hours plus in this hair, but not up to 5 hours. 4 hours and a few minutes. We started off around after 3 and we finished around after 7 or to 8, I guess. You can see my expression now at this point. Like, this hair was killing me. At some point I just thought about leaving the salon, going home, and then telling them I was gonna come back to continue the hair later on, because I was really in pain. It was really painful. I guess it's attributed to the fact that there are a lot of people were making the hair at the same time, and my scalp was tender because I loosened the hair that day. So guys, this is a close view of my hair. You can really see how they're partitioning the hair, like they're taking my hair into tiny sections, and that's why they call this hairstyle 1 million braid. You can see this one right now, like the hair is so tiny. So at the end of the day, you have like a lot of hair because they pick tiny bits of your hair and attach the braiding hair to it, then twist. But at the end of the day, the hair is really light because the size of the braiding hair they attach is actually small, and it makes the whole hair not too bulky. So guys, at this point you can see that the hair has really gone halfway, like more than halfway actually. Like, we have small hair left here. So I would really advise you, if you want to install this 1 million braids or any kind of tiny braids, kindly go to a salon that has a lot of workers. That way it shortens the time you have to sit, because trust me, sitting down in this hot seat and then having to feel the whole pain of many people dragging your hair, or even if there are not many, at least I don't know if I'm the only one, but I feel pain when I'm making my hair, and also the dragging of the neck and all that. So it just saves you a lot of time. So yeah, finally, like, we have just one piece left. I was so happy, guys. Like, oh, this is really over. Like, I could have given up previously, but I thank God I started through. So they are just doing their thing, trying to finish up the hair, and I'm just bearing the last pain. But the thing is that once they get their hands off the hair, I do not feel the pain anymore. So it's only when they're trying to pick the hair from the roots, and when they're still dragging the hair, the twisting, that's when I felt a lot of pain. But immediately they put their hands off my hair, I didn't feel all this pain. So at this point, she's using this candle to kind of trim the hair. They didn't use the scissors to do so. So I guess this does the same job with trimming with scissors. So she's doing this to remove extra hair in order to make the braid smooth. So she's just pulling the hair in some sections and then using the candle to burn out any extra hair from the braid. So this is me just feeling myself. You can see me, I was actually looking at the mirror. So yeah, she's actually trying to get the hair to a whole length from the back. Sorry I didn't get that, and I equally didn't get when they put the hair into hot water, my bad. So now she's using styling moss in order to make the hair stay cute. Then guys, this is the shocker. She's spraying oil now on the hair, and I didn't even see this one coming now. Like, oh my god, I was like, what's going on? It was actually too much, but it's all good. So now the whole hair is set. Like, I didn't even believe I was gonna finish this hair like within 4 hours. I didn't. So she's actually using a blow dryer in order to dry the hair. Like I told you guys, the hair was put into hot water. Sorry I didn't film that. So she's actually using this blow dryer in order to dry it out so it becomes less wet before we can actually go ahead to pack the hair. So that's it. This is how I actually installed my braid. So this is me doing shakara with my hair. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Mwah.